don't ever hold your phone, you're going to see different things. Update Instagram, update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Because waiting happen afresh, where they update Bible, waiting happen new. You ever see some Bible stories? You know, so if now Jonah come back after 3 days, the wife calls say, where you go? He said, I just did my own. God say, my God, I know they go, 9 fish swallow me. You know, say that the way your wife responds, you go know so you don't lose the case. As you just tell her, say, fish swallow, you go say, for where? You say, bad bitch, come go show me. How you want to know where the fish? As soon as they go they greet people. One can the family, say, they, what of a guy there? You know, now they go, say, no, fish swallow my husband, I won't go check him.
Lagos, raise up as Papa Roof Entertainment presents M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
You get some other parts of the Bible where they shock me. That part of the Bible say, he that look at a woman and lust after her, say the dog counter. Baba heaven go empty. Nyash. Now I tell the play. So as I did now, Nyash go pass, I know look am. Because they want, make the counter now. I fear them, if I perish, I perish. You know what it be, Nyash? You know they read Bible. Bible say when now the reason they say man no look Nyash. Now so that I go make heaven. Abi? Bible say angels where they stay for the heaven. When they see Nyash, they lust after the daughters of men. Angels choose Nyash over heaven. Now come me, we never see heaven picture. Baba, they go balance this thing. No? I go look Nyash, wait till what happen, may happen. Because Nyash no make sense. Now women, they pay 3.2 million for Lekki. If you see real Nyash for Lekki now, my brother, I don't know what God do for you. All the Nyash for Lekki now, the photocopy am no better. Just see, that's why when Oyibo bring different policies, we go just look them. They bring one policy that time. Now Oyibo they do everything. Transgender, same-sex marriage. The one way they do Igbo boys converts for America now when they bring gay. Before Igbo boy child gay now they near him. Here follow come or converted. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where they look say they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, he showed me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work. No time. In Lagos, they rob us every day. Go dey traffic, they go rob you anywhere, you are not even safe. People go shout. The government like say police no reach. Like they are short of police. But once youth just announce say they want protest, my brother, if you see police everywhere, that's to tell you that the system is there to protect itself, not you. They don't care. So you have to open your eye because now all they talk about Nigeria problem, people they chop belle food go say, I beg anybody we no concern me, I do okay, no problem. Now when people no see food chop begin see your neck like turkey. Once you depart, they say, oh boy, see meat. Because you 50 say you do okay, you get 100 million, you get 50 million. Once you part Kaduna Abuja Expressway, you are broke. You are broke, bro. All people can argue. You don't even comment, they argue, argument. Especially how much Ronaldo and Messi they collect. I don't know how comment they take comfortable discuss. Just say, boy, don't hear how much I paid Ronaldo last week. Then go come finish, go and see, Baba, you go pass Chevron. Maybe they just drop me for you will buy Ronaldo last week. Now me go drop you. Like no get sense. People are frustrated. Nothing they work, even betting. Anybody who bets now they lose. Nobody now lose today. Like me, I know they bet football. If I want bet now boxing, at least if I lose, I know say person will make me lose. They don't beat and well. Idiot. Blowing left eye made the black say the crazy. They help me beat and make it okay. Because we're all frustrated, man. Look at the country. Nothing they to. Like say we die alive, we don't die. Because you die and alive with this. So that if they show you your picture now, you go right alive. You wait 2 hours from now, if you no collapse, man. Bro, Nigeria is crazy, man. Women own it. Now they own everything. Now that's why it makes me laugh when they say it's a man's world. The reason why women allow that thing they fly, now because they favor them. Now, but now women get the word though. Like normally, check the scenario as a man. FMV is a married man. He's my friend. You know, if you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, don't go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? She don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife is just day bored. Nothing they go on. No. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. Instinct now from above. I know one of the rich things what they get as Igbo people in accent. I don't type woman shop early morning to 8. He just open beer for me. Said, nah, beer with me, I get bad day. I say, who spoil your day? 8 just the knock in the morning. People never even wake up, your day don't spoil. He can now. He said, nah, beer with me. That's why he squeeze face, so. Just no, I get bad day. I said, can I, God forbid, I can never join you. Celebrate your way people bad day. I just come here. He said, now if you go beer, if you no go beer, leave him. I said, I get bad day. Now today, them bomb me. Now my bad day. Nigeria is collapsing. Yeah. If you look around, don't let nobody deceive you. There's no system that's designed to protect you. The system is there to protect itself. You don't care about it. Check them now. We go complain about robbery. Like Lagos, where would they stay, where this guy built. By the way, if na Lagos, if from come, now God do for you, no need to pay rent again, no. Because na Tinubu build Lagos. So, if your landlord come, tell him, go call the landlord. Go call your guy. You know, say like every tenant, they tell the landlord, say, go call who build Lagos. Now that's how we go really know who build Lagos. Because just tell him, say, go call who build Lagos, go see your landlord, hey, you see this part of Lagos? Now me build them. Now me build this side. But the kind of stuff we did in Nigeria now, I nearly envy people who died last year. Because they say, at least them, they don't already, this is no concern them. Because nothing there, you know. No fuel, no money, no. You call the password the very person, you call the envious. Ah, Baba, your own good, oh. No really see what they go on.
And lots more. Venue, Terra Culture, Victoria Island, Lagos. Date Sunday, 3rd March 2024. Time 6 p.m. prompt. Tickets, back row 10K, front row 20K. Premium table for 6, 1 million naira. M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.